is in the lab right now. I just took out my glosses out the water that I had soaking to get rid of the residue gloss that I had on it while filling them. But yes, y'all just sitting and watch. I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse while I dry them off, all that good stuff. And yes, y'all know I like to do my little videos of when I'm doing my business. So yeah, stay tuned. Now look at this water. Tell me you don't have to wash your wand tubes or your squeeze tubes after you fill them. I really disagree with that because look at this water. That's why it's very important, and that's why I rinse my wand tubes and cleanse them before and after I finish filling them, because it's just, I just feel like it's more clean that way. But yes, they are so gorgeous. I'm so ready for the restock. Y'all gonna love these. Okay, period. Period. My label on my wand tube, real cute, real cute. Labels on it, real cute. Hi y'all, so I just received my other package. So yeah, let me show y'all what's in it. I'm supposed to get some more tubes. These are my push tubes. And I got 2 of these for restock. But like I said, I got more coming. It's, as you can see, 30 pieces lip gloss, 12 milliliter. So yes, these will just be like a few cents higher, only because they're 12 milliliter instead of my standard size 10 milliliter. But that's good because y'all get to get more in it. But yeah, y'all, I just want to show y'all what's in my package. I got my push tubes. Like I already told you, I already made some glosses in my one tubes. Just gonna make some in my push tube. See, I came straight and put them in water to soak, to cleanse the tubes. So these are 60 tubes right here that I'm sanitizing. I already got 50 made. So just imagine when restock come, y'all. I'm gonna have plenty of lip gloss for everybody. You can get however much you want. I'm gonna have lip scrubs restock, everything. So yes, I'm just cleaning them and then we're gonna get to work. Hey y'all, so I got some new inventory in. The inventory that I have today is I have bigger package bubble mailers for when I start doing my body scrubs, and then just in case people order a lot that can't fit in my small ones, I'll be able to put it here. So yes, I got some more of those, and I'll just keep y'all updated whenever I get more inventory, you know? You feel me? Period. So today during my day I got an order from my site before my restock. Surprisingly, thought everybody was gonna wait, but I am so blessed that they are still buying because I still had a few cinnamon scrubs left and 1 gloss left. So I'm gonna go ahead and package her order. I'm just gonna show y'all how I usually do it. So I get my handy dandy bubble mailer. I have these for just like small glosses and just one item type things. And plus I thought it was real cute, so I had bought them. I already packaged it. I have my little organizer bag, real cute. I got my business card in there and the cinnamon scrub. So all I do is, let me set y'all up. Okay, y'all, all I do, get it tied up like that, get it ready to go in here, put it in here. Push it down. I try to push it as far as I can get it because it is long. But I kind of just play with it, push it down with my fingers until it gets to the bottom. It's, like I said, as far as I can get it. I mean, it don't have to go all the way to the bottom, but I just try to get it as far as I can. Then I take the thing off. Boom. Seal it. Bam. Now I'm gonna get my logo sticker thingy and put it on the front. Hold on. Not the people's names, but as you can see, I have one unfulfilled order, so I'm finna fulfill it. Boom. okay, I'm good. I just can't check this in. Thank you. You have a good day. All right, y'all. So I just mailed off her package. So it's literally simple as that. I literally go ahead and print my shipping labels, and I just take it to the post office and check them in. I don't have to pay for nothing when I get to the post office. I literally let the person scan their package in so they can go ahead and update with their tracking number. So I think if you just put it in the I think if you just drop it off in the mailbox at the post office, I think it takes longer to get into the system. So that's why I just go ahead and go into the post office and just let them scan it in. All they have to do is scan the little scanner at the bottom and scan it into the system that way. It updates. Hold on, y'all. It updates the customer's tracking number. And my food. Okay. So this is something a lip gloss organizer that I'm gonna be using. So that's gonna come in handy. And here's my main thing that I've been working on. Y'all see this? Yes. I'm gonna go disinfect and get to work. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Who ready for the restock? Period, poo. Period. So let's get it. Show y'all that I've sealed and put my protective barriers on all of my things except for my scrubs. I'll just put them in pouches and make sure that they're safe. But yeah, literally all of my glosses have their seals on them, and it's ready to be packaged for tomorrow. So y'all get ready for the sale. Remember, we got the big scrubs and this little scrubs, and then we got Macur, we got Scarlet, we got Olive, we got Rainbow that was inspired by my sister. We have Bristol Clear, we have Clear, we have Bronze, and we have Barbie. So yeah, y'all. All right, y'all. This is the end of this week's vlog. I really hope you liked what you've seen that I've been doing throughout the whole week. And now I'll continue to do these weekly vlogs because it can actually show you the full process. And this was my full process to restocking. So, yeah, y'all. So I see y'all next week. Mwah.